Alright, we got the q316-27 eastbound mixed freight train. They're on the way to the Cumberland, Maryland yard in the Maryland, in Allegheny County, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Start the video, son. There goes a waffle side box car for CSX. Yep. Does he look nervous? Beautiful box car. There goes the end of the train. Yep. That's a short mixed freight train, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. There you go, folks. Then you have it there, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Comments down below. So, see you next time. Darsh Ryan, out.